Help.
My big bad
Help. Wave.
Hank was not afraid of elk or deer, but was afraid of cows. Yeah.
Go right, Esther. Yeah, cows are a scary thing. Cows are okay if you can follow them, but if you have to go up to them, that's different.
When we were riding along the road, I was changing barns, and so I rode him over to the new barn. It was about 5 miles, and there was this field full of yearlings, and they followed us along the fence line. There was about 20 of them. Totally flipped him out.
I bet.
Oh, okay, yeah. I'm so proud of myself. You have no idea.
Yes, I can. You had a smile on your face, and your seat was very secure.
It was. It didn't even move. I'm coming back from
Esther.
tons of injuries and lack of confidence. So this
When Carol first met me,